Good morning, students. Hi, today in Piles Easy Commerce, we are starting with another, we are towards the end of this module. And today, for today's class, you're doing everything about microfinance. पहला ये समझते हैं कि microfinance क्या होता है. तो microfinance is a general term to describe financial services to low-income individuals or to those who do not have access to typical banking services. सो ये एक ऐसी चीज है जिसमें लोगों के पास एक्सेस नहीं होता है. यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो उसके लिए पीपल आर डूइंग इज माइक्रो फाइनेंस. सो इन दिस there are this credit, okay? So the credit for the development of microfinance concepts goes to Mr. Mohammad Yunus, the founder of Grameen Bank of Bangladesh, and उसको Nobel Prize भी मिला है 2006. So the concept of microfinance in India 1992 में introduce हुआ है with the launching of SHG, that means self help groups, okay, and bank linkage programs and all. So who are the institutions who are associated with microfinance? There is banks, financial institutions, RBI, SIDBI, NABARD, commercial banks, RRBs, cooperative banks, non-banking financial corporations, micro financial institutions, self-help groups or linkage programs, microfinance institutions. Are you understanding? Then I have is this thing. All of these would examples of microfinance. तो उसका रोल या इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? पहला है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. तो माइक्रो फाइनेंस का जनरली मेन टारगेट है फॉर हेल्पिंग वुमेन. कभी क्या होता है, वुमेन वांटेड टू बट दे डोंट हैव द लोन, or maybe they are single women who don't have husbands or who don't want to get married or whatever other X reasons. So currently over 75% of the self-help groups, they were formed by women. The village women come together to form self-help groups. After formation of a group, they get microfinance facilities from the banking sector. They are also supported by the NGOs. This enables them to generate employment for the poor women, which in turns brings income. Like, example, Lijat, आज जो हिसाब से है, that is only because of the sheer determination. It is started by the women and they have come to this level. So ऐसा नहीं है कि women के obstacles सबके life में आते हैं, but they have fought all odds. Employment generation, तो microfinance एक जरिया है. It's instrumental in generating employment. Microcredit and other services, they are made available to small entrepreneurs, village artisans, self-help groups, and the beneficiaries of microfinance set up small business units, thereby generating employment. उसके बाद I have is economic growth. So due to microfinance, the production of goods and services increases. Increase in production of goods and services increases the GDP of a country. Therefore, microfinance contributes to economic growth in the country. उसके बाद I have is development skills. So microfinance is indirectly responsible for development of skills. Due to microfinance, self-help groups, its members to set up small business units, either jointly or individually. So the small entrepreneurs may also learn leadership skills. कभी क्या होता है, एग्जाम्पल मैंने कल ही किसी का एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ा था. ही इज नॉट इन दिस कंट्री बट फर्स्ट वो पढ़ रहा था और ही स्टार्टेड टू ऐसे छोटे से जॉइंट्स जैसे, और वो नहीं चले. फिर उसने खुद ने कोर्स किया, ओके, कोर्स करके वो इधर मतलब वापस पढ़ा, वापस उसने 2 होटल्स किए, और आज वो दैट पर्सन, he has more than 10 restaurants all across India and the world. कभी कभी क्या होता है, that time was not right, you had losses also, or maybe all your savings are wiped out, but never give up. So microfinance से क्या होता है, there are many people who have very good ideas, or they want to just start on a small scale. See, maybe एक चीज करते करते कुछ और क्लिक हो गया, you never know. Then I have is savings and investments. So microfinance develops saving habits among the people. For instance, the self-help groups who get microfinance encourage saving habits among its members. The financial resources generated through savings and microcredit obtained from banks are utilized to provide loans or advances to the members. The members of the self-help groups use the financial resources for setting up small business units of a working capital and fixed capital of the existing units. So that is known as savings and investment part. Then I have is financial inclusion. When I'm talking about financial inclusions, so it is like organized sector. Generally, they depend upon unorganized sector, such as see, you know what happens is generally people don't have matlab, the bank work. They want a lot of papers, they want a lot of documents, which doesn't happen in the unorganized sector. So this reduces exploitation जनरली इनिशियली ना वो मतलब सपोज वो मनी लेंडर आपको 2 दिन में पैसा या एक ही वो अभी के अभी दे देगा पैसा बट वो फिर गिरवी रखो ये रखो वो रखो एंड देन दे आर ऑलवेज एक्सप्लॉइटेड. Whereas with the banks, it's very simple. Plus the loan rate that they charge for this is also very, very easy. It's not a heavy rate of interest what the money lenders would have charged. Then I have is use of local resources. So microfinance facilitates productive use of local resources. The beneficial of microfinance utilizes local resources including manpower, materials, etc. to best possible advantage. Social welfare. So they are better education, health, therefore, microfinance is responsible for the betterment of the society. And then I have is polity elevation. Matlab, because of microfinance, all the people, like the poor people, are now, matlab, even if they want to do something, they have that thing in terms of, okay, they can do or they will achieve something and they will get out of poverty, with a small thing. Some people have skills, but they don't have money to expand. So, iske liye, the first thing that I have is SHG, Self Help Groups Bank Linkage Program. तो उसमें 3 मॉडल है. मॉडल 1 क्या है? They are promoted and financed by banks. This is possible where in areas where there are bank branches. उसके बाद module 2 or model 2, sorry. This is not module, this is model. 1 second. All these are model. मतलब not model मतलब एक way मतलब first thing. So they are promoted and financed by the bank and this is possible where there are bank branches. Are you understanding? उसके बाद I have is module 2. So self-help groups are promoted by NGOs or government agencies and financed by banks. The NGOs assist the poor in setting up the micro units and also assist in obtaining funds from the banks. पैसा भी वो help करते हैं ये NGOs. उसके बाद I have is this model is especially operated where there is no bank branches. As per the RBI report, only 5% of India's villages are covered by banks. Abhi, the microfinance institutions mein what I have is they provide services at capacity training and this thing of finance, तो एक बैंक और पार्टनरशिप मतलब बैंक और प्राइवेट पीपल आर कमिंग इनटू पिक्चर एंड दे आर ऑपरेटिंग इनटू दिस. Then microfinance as an agent, the bank is lending the money to self-help groups and the MFI also acts as an agent between the bank and the borrower right from the application of loan to final repayment. And MFI as an holder loans. So the MFI also provides loans to individuals or self-help groups. Securities है, loans है. पहले ना छोटे छोटे क्लाइंट्स में इट हेल्प्स. देन आई हैव इज अ बिजनेस फैसिलिटेटर और कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट मॉडल. तो ये ना 2006 में आरबीआई ने परमिटेड किया है this thing and the other intermediaries in providing microfinance. The banking facilitators are intermediaries who are undertaking banking functions in villages, areas where there are no bank branches. जहाँ पे भी कहाँ पे भी मतलब 20 किलोमीटर में कोई भी बैंक नहीं है वहां पे माइक्रो फाइनेंस is also going to do very well. I hope students this topic has become very simple and the source for the same has been taken by me from Manan Prakashan. Thank you students.